Breaking news. White Army sends emergency ultimatum to Sspdf. Withdraw now or face consequences. August 6, 2025, Juba, South Sudan. A dramatic turn of events is unfolding in South Sudan as the White Army, a powerful community-based, armed group historically linked to the newer ethnic group, has issued an emergency message to the South Sudan People's Defense Forces, Sspdf, demanding their immediate withdrawal from contested territories or face serious consequences. In a strongly worded communique reportedly sent to military and political leaders in Juba, the White Army accused the Sspdf of conducting unauthorized military operations, harassment of local populations, and the illegal occupation of civilian areas in parts of Jonglei, Upper Nile, and Unity states. They warned that continued presence of Sspdf forces would be interpreted as a declaration of war. This is our final warning. The Sspdf must advocacies withdraw immediately from our ancestral lands. If they continue to provoke, we will respond with the full force of our sons, said a high-ranking White Army field commander, whose name has been withheld for security reasons. The emergency message, broadcast through local networks and social media, has triggered widespread concern among civilians, peace monitors, and international observers, raising fears of a new wave of large-scale violence. Just months after renewed peace, talks began stalling in Juba, rising tensions and calls for dialogue. Tensions between the Sspdf and armed community groups have been rising in recent weeks, with reports of clashes, forced displacements, looting, and extrajudicial killings in rural areas. The White Army, known for its fierce resistance and deep-rooted communal mobilization, has begun reorganizing in several flashpoint regions, signaling the potential for a full-scale confrontation if diplomatic intervention fails. Human rights organizations are urging all parties to de-escalate immediately and return to dialogue, warning that another conflict could undo fragile progress made under the 2018 revitalized peace agreement. We are deeply alarmed. The situation risks spiraling into chaos if left unaddressed, said a spokesperson from the United Nations mission in South Sudan, UNMISS. Civilians are already caught in the crossfire. We urge the leadership in Juba to open immediate channels of communication with community leaders and opposition groups. Sspdf yet to respond. Background of tensions. The warning follows weeks of increasing reports of violent confrontations between government forces and local armed youth in northern regions of the country. Several communities in Akobo, Nasir, and Fangak have reported heavy Sspdf troop presence, home raids, and arbitrary arrests of young men suspected to be sympathetic to the SPLAIO or White Army. Tensions have also escalated politically, with the White Army accusing the Kiir administration of undermining the peace agreement signed in 2018, targeting newer ethnic groups through military intimidation, disrespecting local traditional leadership structures, ignoring calls for federalism and equitable power sharing. The group has demanded the immediate withdrawal of all government troops from newer majority areas, the release of detained political and community leaders, and international mediation under IGAD and AU supervision. White Army's historical significance. The White Army, though not a formal military organization, has played a decisive role in every major conflict in South Sudan since the civil war began in 2013. Composed mostly of young newer men and historically loyal to Dr. Riek Machar's opposition movement, the group is known for its resilience, decentralized structure, and deep community support. Its reemergence now signals a potentially dangerous turn in the fragile peace landscape of South Sudan, especially as frustration builds in opposition strongholds over continued marginalization and broken promises. National and international reaction. The government has yet to release an official statement responding to the White Army's warning. However, sources inside the Ministry of Defense claim that the government is monitoring the situation closely and does not consider the group a formal threat. Meanwhile, diplomatic sources within Juba confirmed that both the African Union and IGAD have been alerted to the rising tensions. The United Nations mission in South Sudan, UNMISS, has also expressed concern over possible renewed ethnic violence and urged all parties to exercise maximum restraint. A high-ranking official from the SPLAIO warned in a separate interview. The government must not dismiss this lightly. If the White Army is mobilizing again, then this is a very serious national security crisis. It means people feel abandoned and unsafe under this regime. Call for dialogue or a new war. The White Army's message concluded with a final warning. This is the last time we speak in words. The next will be through action. We are calling on all our sons across the land to prepare, because if the government chooses war, we will not hide. We will answer. As fear spreads across conflict-prone regions and humanitarian agencies begin preparing contingency plans, observers warn that unless a genuine peace dialogue is immediately revived, South Sudan could once again descend into full-scale civil war, this time with even deeper tribal and political wounds. The Sspdf, which stationed in Juba, Nasir and Olong, need an immediate evacuation before it's too late for them. No more help from any nearby country now.
Kemarin in Canada, gua ko de wule la video. Tale la video teh. Kau yakin le bayi gur.
Mala madilian kodiam, I shall at the long catadun quama, and take a lot of totagun ebne galarian tamakajan guadama, the arun palpinko gata calcane, candatro, catachagor catumnanta bor, a coconella goron of necala catumnat, co take a native corn goro deck and killing. And I corner corpan the dung one the shower, chi dejambor came dejan like chalo white army, and charaj, kajam guada right kaja. Cha wijan wo chi dejambor chawet, cha kanga, nika korka me cha ulang nasar, ke burabi, kakok mi chaya kap, I chineta one long cigarette. Rajamongoma, Latijan would dejon chakya, ki dejambor chadwal. Kakor rajamokelu, telemisi dejambor chelut. Do no kakor gwanutot you quar dejamambor, nakang makana chuban comedia, kala dejanano con canedwal. Continuaten, Aralina Rodaka, taking in Cotogoneka, a kakor commissionary in Cotogoneka to Missioneka Jack, a Bajajano Bene, Lada Bene talk. Namo alarmishi dejambor chekam naka wa dejanaka nyalano. Chigano richika dwal ke kumer ko chika kume chikano paluit. Cha wit cha kap cha dong del chaka juwit cha juwit del chaka jwerare wit. Kajan guatamone chi rol mudicha to krajam. Kakan wetirian namonano la netumwanano dejambor cha dwal ke dejambor jan kamatelijam matelamalaramo. Antamashi dejambor cha barar kala dejano kontineten. Katamashi neban kagonebune laratuk. Laran yaman chikanungun latkeneno. Jokan de South Sudan and Chalde as Sspdf ke South Sudan People Depend Post. And jokanano dirigian windian konan chi parten. Atoga nakabura biay. Oka nasar akoa lang. Chikande kuma ke de South Sudan ne as Sspdf. Chikana la lerano dirman dien guamo at kane neban. Como neban biat batal guat kayen. Guam godian guamo de wada todian kapal ato kabura biya ko kanasar. Awaka wala. Dian luitrerak. Kamalakal kie guadang wadian utana. Go neno biya wiko. Techi apatendo biya ka bain ping kadayan dian kamar. Rajamo roin mejaw jano chikana lat rajang. Akachia be the end to Tiagan and Cokidian Tama, whether corner catcanton. I can wet the torchia weather balaria, with Ken Chigan Karalaka, to Tucanton and Tama. Kakujamo, Chigalaramo chicana lar, chicana latrejam, kai nanian turn video on the candy tot. A manio then o canadi shiladian and dane chicana talk. Gorkana bucana talk, Kokon tokana carrietco, Chalkan. Dates South Sudan ke Sspdf ho dayan bakwet ke dayan guama gwatan kona siya patentin siya kun dayan kabain ping kapet. Antama and South Sudan ne Sspdf te gareg dio pechi jaga maray kona. Amukwiji ka gora no bro pal pinkaliang dian ko dirta na kukidin. Rikinti de Sspdf che jak ke dayan chal ke de South Sudan. Manyam kam dian ka Uganda ka border kajo keji border dung sa Sudan kana Uganda nai kona ka kor nin dang wan da chu kin dish chira ka token ki de sa Sudan kana de Uganda charuntun chiga nyeng ka chinar dian nak puna koromo mo teten mantama chi de ni Uganda chiga ban ka mai kor jidit chiga ne kon chang rai weja mo ka konti dung ka chok Keji, chicken kajuit, Katana tagana grey koromo, Kachitanat, Kilajuit and all the chinching ray wit and guamo, Chigaro barke chokim, Chigaro bar went to con down deco Luarten. Namo ami chi ditch South Sudan chi jack border dung South Sudan kene Uganda. Namo areganyam. Aregarauda Antama. Tuwa napan abakawala, Kachang bakal kapai badak, akuban kachang baron wala kapai badak. Acha Georgia no chidech, chadde South Sudan. Ne Sspdf chai lala no. Bikaro yalaka kodekan jian ray which kideka bil pam dekan a bind ping. Chaka moika guado denum bikotan anan ke Juba. Angwamo agwam bikotan kendeni South Sudan diar. Chaka moika kel bakaon nankan. Raja mo chaja lat kaman lat ka raja mo kaja. Awa den tambu barai weka South Sudan ke Juba. Awa ke dene Uganda. Kendeni Uganda tinyin kana ka border to. Tina ka ala to. Ji South Sudan ka border. Awa kan poinkian banya wanong dawito. Ray ka Juba. Bika kwar bikan ka baganga kan. Namo kay kaman to kora. Duno are kan dong chi. De South Sudan na Sspdf bantama. Chajajak. Namo amungoten ka wala ke changa baro wala kapay badak. South Sudan ka ray kan dit ke Juba. Chabu da bejalong. Kata misir ke yan ta mona. Lat ke jabon ho ende ni Sspdf. Walo ka na rajamo. Chika na goro no biga GRA wich. Chika na muga no kontine bi GRA wich. Kichine bi dian wano konto kon. Tung kon en tibis nu ko tilatin. Bune mot kamutanatan. Cha rajamo chaya look. Rajamo mi rain kulaban ka quarantine self ke maya dit. Ke be ka bul mel. Na mo kando to kan nga jagwa. Dino char chala ni jano. Cha dini Sspdf. Chaka larlan misir ka na mo no. Bides de Uganda, bubare wai kajan bugwa dialan kon. Tinti dinitin baka kanajan, kabawai South Sudan bejagamajan. Namo kwai kamalero adanano, duno adana tuwagantama, marai kona. Adio ka dio dian inchi dini South Sudan ke Sspdf jek, akam din ke White Army. Akam din ke White Army intama, chi White Army saranya bajika kantama. Nuja kore dan, meche tuwak, kapai dok, aku bane kapai bakar anu jatan tama. Chicken denis Sspdf chicken kalaler no dian jian. Gwanda to kon en chiap watan ken chiap wat kon. Namo area kan dio dian. Chine lana yerik diop duno che Georgia no te gare kon wan den bo. Anai kon aka western equatoria ditch Iowa. Nyenya ke ditch Sspdf bo ten achi western equatoria karwada. Tetan boka warap ditch Iowa nyenya ke ditch Sspdf ne dial to ne dikirige ke ditch Sspdf nyenka ka mankula ba jalonga kam den ke Uganda ko Uganda wagamana ga ditch Sspdf gwami ka wakam ga jawe gwama wa ke ditch Sspdf na mo mi ba mo wa kan sabagar akuma dung South Sudan adeo ke jano bariak benon ke bakur benon kam deni Sspdf kana deni UPDF ala deni Uganda andeo jano bakur batok kamden ke deni Uganda and rain misha kana mo wa kana chara jamo chaja loit ping tranne kana to wantam reira ke Juba and deni as well ayo katan gatundian and yenken ke deni kuma ni Sspdf deni Uganda tan gatundian yenken ke deni Sspdf White Army ke dejambo jatan nyenya ke Sspdf bona. Neto ka ne dikirije ke de Sspdf antama teka kol ke gwanne amarai kon antama. Antato ka na to ragan dit ke Juba akwa ka continent en tiagaja. Amat ka rajen chalat widang baro tempai warga got pan katet muktab ka US ke Amerika en wo tike kwarne san poke maya dideno dara kwarne doctor mo charde jal manlun duriena kapet na mo amit alat wi dang baro chigaro mat chiga teja mo chiga na tej kuma South Sudan mbut ka kwarne san poke maya dit ka take ni point kwarne san poke maya dideno Mulur kapet and de kwana Dr. Machar DJ Luing, Dulian Kadike DJ Jakalor, Kojan Tejano Teledir, Michadir, Niamune, Namo Charlat, and Widang Baro, to Wajan Dampton, America, Wajar the United Kingdom, British, Wajan Deldian, Netherlands, Wajen wande na Norway, wajen Diden a German, wajen Bakalin a Canada, wajen Barodin a Japan. Vidang Barod chigarumat, kachiga wargak, chikana jack. Michiga right kel, chikana matan ano de kwan Dr. F. Machar, de jalun durienka, guadanana chayientin, amaneka delan chayen, durienka, rajamo chay jack, kwarkaniza. Kwa nisal pakir maya dit mula kwa sa Sudan. An order kwara manyam ke vice president past vice president na Dr. Machar dere jangar luin dul ka ko dem mal an chabat ka sa Sudan adera wobada ko latken an ho man pen mal ban ka sa Sudan ang tama na kwiko to kwal nyam ni Dr. Machar ten ke dul ka no mo amipen mal sa Sudan pena wo ba ubatan tama ko kija mo chika kwan nisal pakir tija no dere kwan Dr. Machar dija lo indulien ka ko demal an gorka dero kula ubata ko kija mo aka lautango ne dene ka tiem ye ka jan guatama ka chila data da lonka tadun kel ka ne mi jiram paiban gora no dire channel mo dija subscribe ko dija ram kel ka bona ma aka machita no one tel da ko la luinjok ko bilar fere bika belin Akuja mo michi video ma michi jaga la mita garlot gore jano DJ support ke di nyot ke yadu ke DJ lak no mo jen support dan go ne ke ye ke kuya machi la tet dia taman